In this guide, we're going over the settings that you need to fix before you watch any more YouTube. These are the most important Google and YouTube data settings that you should adjust right now. But before we dive into these settings, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up the YouTube app, and what you're going to want to do is actually tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right and then select Google account on this section. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Scroll over to the data and privacy tab right here, and this is where all of your personal data and activity live. Scroll down in this section and you're going to see a bunch of different options. Look specifically for the option that says My Ad Center and go ahead and turn it on. In this section, it's going to show you what Google has actually learned about you, whether it's interest, location, behavior, and so much more. Find the option for personalized ads up at the top, select it, and turn it off. And this is going to stop Google and YouTube from using your data to tailor ads to you. From here, go back to your data and privacy section, just like so, and find the option for your YouTube history on here. Open this up, and what I would do is turn off your YouTube history, search history, or even both. If you want to keep history but still protect your data, simply choose auto delete, choose 3 months, and then confirm, and Google's going to automatically delete older activity. Go back one more time, and this time scroll down till you see the maps timeline section on here. Select this to open it up, and make sure this is turned off or at least paused, because this is going to stop background GPS tracking that YouTube uses for ad targeting. And finally, what you can do is actually go to the third-party apps and services section back on the main data and privacy option and just remove anything that you don't need. You can also tap delete all connections to wipe them all at once, but that last one is optional. But that is it. These changes are going to instantly improve your privacy online. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.